In today's video, I'm going to show you how to personalize Mailchimp emails with first name. So first open up your Mailchimp dashboard, then in the left panel, go to campaigns, then click on the create button. Then here, select regular email. Then next, select how you want to design your email. So in my case, I'm just going to head over and use basic layout. And now, once inside the email editor, you can either add or select an existing text block where you want the subscriber's name to appear. And here, construct your message so you can start with something like hi, then comma, and then next, say for example, you want to insert the subscriber's first name in this section. So to do that, click on this three dot icon in this toolbar and click on merge tags. So here, look for first name and click on it. And as you can see, MailChimp's merge tag for first name, which is this one, will then be added on your selected text block, and MailChimp will automatically replace it with each subscriber's first name. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!